Let's moisturize our face first. समर है तो मैं समर मॉइस्चराइजर यूज़ कर रही हूँ, बट बायोटिक My skin is a bit on the dry side, so I'm using this oil from Nykaa. My skin is prepared. I'm using Lotus foundation, and it's really give a satin, smoothie, silky finish to your skin. Using Lotus concealer stick to apply under my eye and the areas where I feel I have some spots or blemishes. Now I'm taking Maybelline concealer to conceal my upper eyelid. Now I'm using Huda Beauty eye palette and using this musk color, and I'll be applying onto my crease, a bit upper side of the crease, as I've hooded eyes. Applying this eyeshadow. Applying highlighter around my eyebrow to highlight them. Applying the same eyeshadow under my lower lash line just to highlight that area. This is Kajal green color. Smudging it. Using mascara on my eyebrows to highlight. Contouring to slim down my round big face. Applying mascara, avoiding falsies. Applying rose powder, Lakme's, just to lock the makeup. Applying this peachy shade as my blush. First applying onto my hands so that I don't get ending like a big pink rose in my cheeks, and it looks very odd with red two big cheeks, so I'm avoiding that. Applying Wet n Wild highlighter, highest areas, T-zone. Applying Nika's lipstick, plum shade, and that's all. I'll show you two looks, with the one with the darker shade, and then I'll just soft it down, and then the another shade. Thank you, bye bye. I'll see you in my next video. Tab tak, keep decorating and keep doing makeup. Subscribe my channel. Bye, love you all.